Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to see how we go about using the System File Checker in Windows 10 to fix problems with our file system. The Windows System File Checker has been around since Windows 98, and I've used it for Windows 98 and for Windows 2000 and other operating systems to fix file corruption issues inside of the operating system. So in this short video presentation we're going to see how you can help troubleshoot and repair a Windows operating system using the System File Checker. Now to begin this process, we're just going to go down here to our search window and we're going to type in CMD. That stands for Command Prompt. Now we're just going to go ahead and right click on the command prompt and we're going to run as administrator. Give it a second to pop up here. Now once it pops up, we're just going to type in SFC like so, give it a space, give it a / and the word scan now like so, and go ahead and hit enter, and it's going to begin this scanning process looking for corrupted or missing system files for this operating system. Now it can take a few minutes for it to start, but it will start and it will give you a warning that it is going to take some time for the process to complete. Now once the scan process does begin, you'll notice that it will give you a readout at the prompt of the percentage of files that have been verified as being intact and present. Now there are a number of additional commands that you can use with SFC. Scan now is probably the most popular, but there are others. So if you're looking for a particular file, well, you can scan just for that file name. You can verify only, you can repair, you can tell it to fix. There's all kinds of things that you can do with the SFC. In this example here, I stopped the scan just by doing a Control-C, and at the prompt I typed in SFC space /?, and that brings me up all the other additional attributes that are available with the SFC utility. And so that's going to conclude this short video presentation on how we go about using the System File Checker to look for and fix missing or corrupted files in our Windows 10 operating system. So if you have any questions or you have any concerns about any of the information that was shown to you in this short video presentation, please do not hesitate to reach out, contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.